Hello everyone, this is our first lecture of Mega Revision. I have written today's target over here. We will try to cover these many topics today. I hope you have started doing revision for your Mega test. Okay, so the first technique is base method. Base method. Oh. So you remember what are bases?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, bases.
Yes.
Any number which begins with 1 and is followed by 0, that is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. And deviation is number minus base. When you subtract the base from the number, you get deviation. Technique for multiplication using base method is, let me take an example for it. If the number is 105 into 106, here the division is plus 5, here the division is plus 6. We divide our answer in two parts, LHS and RHS. In RHS, we will write division 1 into division 2. I hope you remember this.
Yes.
This is division 1 and this is division 2. This is number 1 and this is number 2. So here we do D1 into D2. So division 1 into division 2 is 6 times 5, which is, and this side we have to apply 105 plus 6, which is 111.
11.
Yeah. We add number 1 and division 2, or number 2 and deviation 1, or base plus
Deviation plus
1 plus deviation
2.
2. Fine. So here we had a rule, we use a rule which says RHS will have as many number of digits as there are zeros in the base. RHS will have as many number of digits as there are zeros in base. You remember everything clearly?
Yes.
Very nice. What about Nandini? Nandini is not saying yes. Okay, the second method is base method with base method with negative negative deviation. This is also similar method. Here, let's take an example of 97 and 94. Here the deviation is negative 3 and here the deviation is negative
5.
6.
6.
We divide the answer in two parts, LHS and RHS. Here RHS is obtained by multiplying D1 and D2, that is 6 times 3, 18. LHS 97 minus 6,
D1.
or 94 minus 3. This is also 90, or base minus division 1 minus division 2. The three methods:
Yep, remember it.
minus division 1 minus division 2, or N1 plus D2. Here plus D2 will simply means minus 6. N2 plus D1. Got it?
Got it.
Got it.
Fine. Let's practice. Let's practice two techniques.
Okay.
Anyone is saying something to me?
Yeah, do we have to put answers in chat box?
No, we can do it directly. No need to put answer in chat box.
So we can just, when we get
Yes,
the answer.
yes. When you get the answer, you raise your hand. I will ask you.
Kapil sir,
Yeah.
are we also going to revise the technique where we multiply with base method? We multiply two digits by two digits, like with the base of 10.
Yes, we will do everything. We will do everything. We will revise everything. This is just today's target.
Oh, okay.
There will be 4 revision class before the test. I have covered these two topics just
Okay.
now.
Can we do it mentally?
Huh?
Can we do it mentally?
Yes, you can do mentally. You can use copy and pen as you feel like. These are very, very easy. Now you can easily do it mentally. 102 times 103.
I know the answer. The answer is
106. 06.
10506.
1056.
10506. 10506.
What?
Why?
Yeah.
Because the rule says RHS must have 2 digits.
No, I've been practicing these.
Me too.
Okay, now second question. 12 times 16.
What? Oh, okay. The answer is 1812. 1812.
No, the answer is not 1812.
Wait,
I get it.
19192.
192 is correct. Now the answer is correct.
Oh, okay, 192. I get it now.
The base only has 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the base has 10, so we will write just 1 digit. Okay, next question. 107 times 106.
How did you get that 192?
11342.
11542.
How did you get that 192? 11342.
11342.
How did I get 92? Okay, this is 2 and 6. 6 times 2 is 12, but I will write 2 and 1 will go as carry. Now 12 plus 6 is 18 and 1 from carry, so it becomes 19.
Then I added the 0 for some reason. Got it.
14 times 13.
Okay. 4 times 1, 3. The
Eight,
answer is
182.
182.
182.
182 is the right answer. $95 into 96.
95 times 96. Okay.
Yeah, Anvita.
I didn't say anything.
Okay.
9, 9. Oh, yeah.
No.
9. Okay. It's 9, 1.
9120.
9120. Correct answer. 91. Very good, Arya. Your answer is correct.
How did you get?
992 into
Okay.
995.
Yep, I get it.
992 times
992 into 995.
Okay.
Becomes
Uh, wait. Never mind.
987 987 0. Oh, come on. 0. What is that? 035.
No.
Hard.
0,
Is it 987?
040.
Yes, correct answer. It's 040.
Oh,
987 040.
I thought it was 98740.
Yeah.
My mistake.
So getting it,
Yes.
enjoying it.
Enjoying it.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Okay, now let's move to our next techniques, which are multiplication by nines, case 1, 2, and 3.
I got this.
Multiplication by 9, multiplication by 9, by 9, case 1. What is case 1? Yes, case 1 is equal nines. So if the question is 63 times 99,
623 7.
It's 6.
yes, we divide the answer in two parts. This is LHS, which is obtained by subtracting 1 from it. So I will write 62.
and 3 7.
RHS is obtained. RHS is obtained by
9 minus 6.
applying all from 9s and last from 10. So 9 minus 6 is 3. Minus 3 is 7. Got it?
Got it.
Fine. Multiplication by 9, case 2. Multiplication by 9 by 9s, case 2. In case 2, 9s are more, or we can say extra. 9s are extra. So let's take the number 27 times 999. So 9s are more. We divide our answer in 3 parts.
Yes. Can I tell what to do?
This is same. We will do minus 1.
26.
27 minus 1 is
26.
26. This
Is 1
also same. This is also same. We will do all from 9 last from 10.
Which
So this
is
becomes 73.
7.
And in this step, we are going to write the extra nines. We have two digits, so two nines. The third 9 is considered as extra 9, so I will write just one 9 over here.
Got it.
Very nice. So let's move to the third case. You have all this in your notes. You don't focus on writing, or you can click the pictures. Just pay attention. We are doing revision. Multiplication by nines. Case 3. And I am going to upload this video on channel. You can easily revise through that also. Okay, so this is less nines. Less nines. The nines are less. What we have to do is 287 times 99. We will count the number of nines and leave that many number of digits. The other digit, in this example it is 2. It has to be increased by 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 and should be subtracted from this number. So this becomes our LHS, which in this case is 284. And for RHS, the rule is same, all from 9, last from 10, but only to two digits because two nines. So 1 and 3. In this also, in multiplication of nines also, we had a special case. If you remember, the special case was that the numbers end in 0.
Yeah, I remember that.
Special case when the number ends in 0, like 750 into 999. In this case, while applying all from 9 last from 10, this side is going to be same, but for RHS, while applying all from 9 last from 10, the first non-zero digit from the right is considered as last, followed by equal zeros. The answer is 74950. Clear?
Yes.
Oops. Clear.
Fine. Then let's practice few questions.
I'm gonna like this thing.
Me too.
Let's practice few questions.
Okay.
Okay, then tell me 74 times 99.
7326.
7326 is the correct answer. Okay, tell me
7326.
532. 532 into 999.
53146.
531 and wait.
53146.
467.
468. All from 9, last from 10. So 531468. Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. 250
25.
into 999.
249.
249
249,750.
750.
Got it.
249,750.
249,750.
Yes, this is the correct answer, my hero. Okay, so the next question is 27
27.
into 99.
9 nines. Okay. Two,
Two.
7. Oh,
273.
No.
No, that's not correct. It's 272. 272.
No.
271.
271.
271.
226.
Correct answer. 27126.
It's 27126. Isn't we have to add 2 plus 1, which
Because
is 3.
because we have to subtract 3 from this number to get LHS. 2
So
plus
which is
3.
2 plus 1 is 3, which equals 73, right?
No, 274 minus 1 is 271.
Oh! What the 274 minus 270?
249 times 99.
549 times 99.
Yeah, 549 times 99.
5 plus 1.
543. 543.
543. Then 543.
51. 54351.
Yes, this is the correct answer.
54351.
Yes, 54351 is the right answer.
Can you do some case too?
Shabash. Very nice. Nandini, what happened? Kya hua beta?
I don't remember the technique. How can you, Kapil sir, can you count that in like 25? What is that? 25 million, billion, or trillion?
Oh, good. So this is our technique for addition.
Kapil sir, isn't it easy to just do 4 plus 9 plus 2 plus 6? Why do we have to like put a dot there? How is that going to make any faster?
This dot technique makes it faster because we are not carrying forward the big numbers. We are just moving ahead with single digits only. Okay, the last technique to be revised is multiplication.
My favorite.
Multiplication 2 digit into 2 digit. In this, we find our answer in 3 easy steps.
I remember it.
I remember it.
Very good.
First cross and double cross.
Steps are multiply these 2 digits,
Yes, then.
first multiply and add, then multiply these 2 digits. So if the number is 35 times 83, then in first and second step we are allowed to write only one digit. So 5 times 3 is 15. I will write 5 over here and 1 will go as carry. The second step is 9 plus 40, which is 49, and 1 from carry. So this is 50, 0, 5 carry. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 5 is
29.
29. So this technique is also clear to everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so this was all about revision first session. Now let us practice few questions. 72 times 91, 72 times 29.
2088.
2088.
2088 is the right answer. 2088.
Wait, how you found out again? Can you show it?
You want me to solve it? Okay, no problem. This is 9 times 2 is 18. So 8 and 1 carry. 7 9s are 63 plus 4 is 67 and 1 from carrying, so again 68. A last step 6. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 6 is 20. So the answer is 2088. Next question for you. 57 times 64.
3648.
3.
3648.
48.
Yeah, 3648 is
3648.
3648 is the right answer.
Told ya.
So this was about